In this video, I'll guide you through how to open an HSBC student account in the UK. Whether you're gearing up for your first year at university or you've recently arrived to start your studies, having a student bank account is essential. Not only does it help you manage your finances, but it also provides access to a range of student-friendly perks. So let's dive right in and see how you can get started with an HSBC student account. First things first, you need to ensure you're eligible. To open a student account with HSBC in the UK, you must be at least 18 years old. Additionally, you should meet the basic eligibility requirements set by the bank. Once you've confirmed that you qualify, you're ready to begin the application process. Start by visiting the HSBC UK website, or if you prefer, you can use the HSBC mobile banking app. Both platforms offer a convenient way to manage your application process from start to finish. Once you're on the website or app, look for the student account option. This is where you'll begin your application journey. When you select the student account, you'll need to gather some essential documents. A key requirement is your UCAS status code, which confirms your university place. This code acts as proof that you are indeed a student eligible for the account. Alongside this, you'll need valid proof of identity, such as a passport. It's important to have these documents handy to ensure a smooth application process. Additionally, you may be required to provide proof of your address in the UK. This could be a utility bill or a rental agreement. Having this information ready will save you time and help prevent any delays in your application. Next, fill out the online form, making sure all your details are accurate. Pay close attention to each section and double-check your information before submitting. Once you've verified everything, go ahead and submit your application for review. After submission, it's a waiting game. HSBC will review your application, and once it's approved, they'll notify you. From there, the bank will guide you through the steps to activate your account, ensuring you're all set to start managing your finances. And that's it. That's how to open an HSBC student account in the UK. Having this account will not only help you manage your student finances effectively, but also give you peace of mind as you embark on this exciting journey. Thanks for watching and good luck with your studies.